Hey guys, I have been in the Smoky Mountains for a week and I came home to find my garden is really flourishing. The onions are really growing, and would you look at the carrot. It's really grown taller than my blueberry bush there. Chives are looking great. These onions that I poked in are looking great. And that little blueberry bush is doing fine. And I think that is a cucumber maybe come up there beside it. But look at the tomato plants. Oh my gosh, they are just doing phenomenal. You can see some little tomatoes in there. I've already had one. They're hanging full. Coming on down, they're all full of blooms. I don't have any Cherokee purples on there yet, but the blooms are there. My goodness, they're just so big. I was so surprised what a week will do. And then, of course, the peppermint's still doing great. Even the cucumber down there at the end is still looking healthy. So I am impressed. They're just so large. I was not expecting this at all when I came home. I walked out to check the garden. And it's just huge. Before I left, I had planted some flower seeds, and you can see they're coming up. Gonna have to get those transplanted. And then this tomato plant needs to be in the ground. It's already got a tomato on it. Right over here, the cucumber plants that I was trying again to grow, they're even looking healthy this time. So yeah, there is a garden update.